Okay, Jai Sri Ram everyone. We are about to continue from yesterday's class. Exercise number 7.1. Question number 4. Yeah, nobody should speak, else your voice will come in the recording. Right, see, question number 4, they gave that check whether three vertices are going to form isosceles triangle or not. Five comma minus 2, 6 comma 4, and 7 comma minus 2 are vertices of, okay, we don't write this, we'll just let it to decide. These three things have been given to us, okay? They said that we need to check whether these are the vertices of isosceles triangle or not, okay? So first of all, you need to know that isosceles triangle is the triangle in which two sides will be equal, third side will not be equal. Right? Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all three sides are equal. Right? Like this, some definitions you must know. Based on that only we will prove it. Scalene triangle is a triangle in which all sides are not equal. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. In scalene triangle, all sides are not equal. Getting with this point, everyone? Right. So we have different scenarios here. Now, for isosceles, two sides should be equal. It means two distances, whatever we measure, that should be equal. For example, suppose this is A, five comma minus two. This is B, 6 comma 4. This is C, 7 comma minus 2. Now student, A to B is a distance AB or not? AB is one side also. If I speak in terms of coordinate geometry, this is the distance also. Right? So, distance AB is nothing but side AB. Getting? That means in this, if we are finding out the distances, it means we are finding out the sides. Sri Ganesh, you're in which group? If you don't know, then you are in B group. B group are not supposed to do other work during class. A group can do. Yeah, look at here. Distance between A and B is nothing but side AB. That means if we are finding out distance, it means we are finding out sides. Clear with this logic, everyone? So our focus is finding out the distance. Clear with this? BC. BC is nothing but side BC, but at the same time, it is distance between B and C. Okay? AC. AC is also side AC, but at the same time, it is distance between A and C. Okay? So, now, first of all, we write on. We know distance is called same formula yesterday's x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right. Now three cases will do. Case 1. Side AB is equal to distance between A and B, isn't it? Side AB is nothing but distance between A and B, right? So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So we are finding AB. So now onwards, distance is nothing but side. Understood all of you? We'll use the same logic everywhere. Distance is nothing but side. x2 minus x1, x2 is 6, x1 is 5. y2 minus y1, again minus is there, so we should keep bracket. 6 minus 5, 1 square. 4 minus into minus plus square as it is. 1 square will be 1 only. 4 plus 2, 6 square. 1 square, 1 as it is, 6 square how much? 36. So therefore, AB is equal to square root of 37 units. Okay? They didn't give centimeter, there's also we should write simply units. Got with this point everyone? Observe this for 30 seconds. Clear all of you with this? Right? Let us move on to the next part. Maybe completed. Side BC is equal to distance between B and C. What are the B? 6, 4, 7, minus 2. Okay, everyone with this? Now directly we are applying formula. As we wrote formula already in previous step, we don't show here. C, BC. Simple logic. Simply apply the formula always. x2 minus x1, x2 is 7, x1 is 6. y2 minus y1, y2 is minus 2, y1 is 4. This minus is from formula. Okay, right. y2, y1. 7 minus 1, 7 minus 6, 1. Minus of minus, both are minus, so we should do plus. 2 plus 4 will be 6, bigger is minus, that's why minus. 1 square will be obviously 1. Minus is there, square is there, so minus will become plus, live with that. 6 square will be 36, so therefore BC is equal to square root of 37 units. Is it clear everyone? So we got BC right now. Case 3. Side AC is equal to distance between A and C. C is 7, minus 2. A is 5, minus 2. Both are minus 2. Okay. Minus 2. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So AC. So this is your option yesterday. You can even understand the distance concept here itself. Right. Okay. x2 minus x1. x2 is 7, x1 is 5. y2 is minus 2, y1 is minus 2. Are you seeing 2 minus? Be careful. One is from formula, one is from given question. 7 minus 5, 2. Minus 2, minus into minus, plus. 2 square will be 4. See, can I cancel minus 2 plus 2? We can do like that also. Directly you can keep 0. Right, your wish. So it is 0. Square you leave it. If you want you can write. So 4 plus 0, 4. So square root of 4 is 2. So therefore AC is equal to 2 units. Okay everyone. So if you look at AB is the square root 37. Don't solve it. Don't get into decimal now. Leave it. Square root 37. BC is also square root 37. AC is unit 2 units. So two sides are equal. Third side is not equal. So this is a isosceles triangle. Getting with this point everyone? Right. So therefore if we know if two sides are equal, then those vertices will form isosceles triangle. Okay everyone, this is the concept we are using. So here AB is equal to BC, not equal to AC. This is the condition. If you want you can write here also. AB equal to BC, not equal to AC. See student, it's not necessary always AB and BC should be equal. Sometimes AB and AC will be equal. Right? This won't be equal. Sometimes this two will be equal, this won't be equal. But any two sides should be equal. Is it clear everyone? In this we are getting like this. Somewhere you may get this two equal. Getting with this point everyone? Right. So that's why I wrote sentence also in order to avoid that confusion. Therefore, A, B and C, 5 comma minus 2, no? 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4, 7 comma minus 2 will form isosceles triangle. Clear all of you with this? Getting idea how to go through this all? Okay. Observe this for a while. Okay. Next one is equilateral triangle, fourth question. Here instead of number they give the alphabet. Clear everyone with this? Right? So again, see student, always you must write like this. side AB equal to distance between the two sides. So simply first I'll write down the formula. Side AB is equal to distance between A and B. Always you should write like this. In mostly your schools they won't show you like this, but you can write. Okay. When they write directly, then also not issue, but better to do in this way. A comma 0 minus A comma 0. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. X2 is minus A minus x1 is A. Y2 is 0 minus y1 is also 0. Minus A minus 2A. This is 0. Okay. So, see student, minus is there, square is there. So minus we have to ignore. So this is 2A square. Alright, directly we'll write. Minus we can ignore, right? And 2 square you write separately, A square you write separately. 2 square, A square plus 0 will be 0 leaving that. This is 4A square. Can we separate this? Square root of 4 separately, square root of A square separately we should write. Whenever you have two terms and then 2 is there, you can separate that. Clear? Square and square root cancel. Square root of 4 is 2 and this is A. Therefore, okay, here we wrote AB is equal to 2A units. Understood everyone? Everything is same, only we got instead of number some alphabets. Right? Okay, observe this for 30 seconds. Okay, all of you, right? Next, case 2. Side BC is equal to distance between B and C. B is minus A comma 0. C is 0 comma A root 3. Don't get confused with this. Okay. So, BC is equal to first we should write x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. 0 minus of minus A. x2 is 0, x1 is minus A. Here y2 is A root 3 minus 0. Okay? We'll solve whatever there inside the bracket first. See, minus of minus plus. So this is 0 plus A. And here simply A root 3 minus 0, A root 3 only. Next step, 0 minus plus A is, this you keep as it is for one step. See, a square, we can open the bracket because there is just single term, right? And here, be careful. When you're opening the bracket, a square separately you should write, square root of 3 you should write separately with their square. Square belongs to both. Always remember, many students will do mistake there. Square and square root cancel. So this is a square. See, this is 3. A square into 3 can be written as 3a square. If you remove bracket, it will be a square. So together we can write it as 3a square. Right. So a square plus 3a square will be 4a square. So we can separate again. 4 into a square. Square root of 4 is 2. This will get cancelled. So again this is 2a. So BC is equal to 2a units. Getting idea everyone? Right? Neeraj, what's happening? Sleeping? Should wake up, sir. Getting clear. And this was case 2. Okay, earlier we wrote now previous step. Case 3. Side AC is equal to distance between A and C. Our A is A comma 0. Our B is 0 comma A root 3. Okay, so again same process. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. X2 minus X1, 0 minus A. Y2 minus Y1. Y2 is A root 3. Y1 is 0. 0 minus A will be minus A. This will be A root 3. So directly I am writing minus A whole square will be A square. This A square into root 3 square. So A square plus 3A square. Can I write directly? No. This will be 4A square. Square root of 4 separate. Square root of A square separate. So, see, square root of 4 will be 2. This A will be as it is. Getting with this point everyone? Same process. Square root of 4 I am writing as 2. Here we wrote separately. There we are writing within one line. You can write separately one by one. Right. So AC is 2A units. Clear everyone? Got with this point? So if you see, this is also 2A. AC, AB, BC, AC. All three sides are same. Right. So we know okay, then if all three sides are same, then it is an equilateral triangle. Okay, now all three sides in the sense AB must be equal to BC, must be equal to AC. Here, or else we can write like this: AB is equal to 2A, BC is equal to 2A, AC is equal to 2A. Therefore, AB equal to BC equal to AC. Right? You can show again in the answer if you want. Right? All three sides are equal. Therefore, vertices A, B and C, A comma 0 minus A comma 0. Forms an equilateral Clear everyone? Right, this is how we should end the answers officially. We cannot end answer abruptly or else you'll lose the marks. Getting with this point everyone? Right? Okay. Observe this. Okay, clear everyone? Getting idea? Right? Would have been getting sleep. Okay, first, now we'll jump little bit to ninth question. Remaining 6th, 7th, 8th will come back tomorrow. Some of them, they are lengthy again. But same process. You should find out the distances. A, B, B, C, C, D. In that one more vertices will come. These are triangle. They are parallel quadrilaterals. Clear? In triangle, how many sides will get? 3. In quadrilaterals, will get 4. So that's why we'll do that tomorrow. Triangle part clear, everyone? Now, remember, they may ask any question. Don't expect that you'll get only these questions. They may ask you an scale and triangle. That question is nowhere in our book, but you may get in exam. Getting? So that I'll give you in today's evening practice work. Getting with this point, everyone? Keep that practice paper safely with you. Ninth question. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from. Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Right. There is one point on x-axis. Suppose the point is this. See, x is the point on x is the point on x-axis. It is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5. Okay, we are writing here 2 comma minus 5 minus 2 comma 9. Actually, we should write according to coordinate. Minus will come here, but it's just a random diagram for explanation. Okay, it's not measured diagram. We'll do measured diagram only when we'll get the measurement work. Getting with this point, everyone? So, suppose this is A and this is B. And see, the distance between A and X and the distance between B and X both are equal. Equidistant means the distances are equal. Distance between A and X is called as AX. Distance between B and X is called as bx, both are equal, right? Clear with this point? Can you understand this? They have mentioned both are equal distance. Now see, they didn't give the x point coordinates. Did they said anything about x? They said equal from the point which is at the on the x-axis. So on x-axis always y value will be 0. Remember, we discussed this. On x-axis y value will be 0. So we should consider x comma. First part is x, which is unknown. Right. Second part is 0. Don't write y there, because the point is on x-axis. If the point is on y-axis, x value should be 0. Y value should be y, as it is unknown. Clear with this point? So this x we have to find out. Getting? See. Understood the diagram, everyone? Right. Now according to that, if go through it. Again, we know distance is equal to, this is all you have to go through the formalities. So now, case 1, what do you have to find out? Distance between A and x. What is A? 2 comma minus 5. This is x comma 0. x1 y1, x2 y2. Ax. We can write together also. Ax is equal to bx. Right, we can do it that way also. We are doing separately, not issue. x2 minus x1. What is x2? X. x1 is 2. y2 minus y1. y2 is 0 minus y1 is minus 5. x2 minus 2 minus into minus plus 0 plus 5 whole square. So here we are applying formula. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay everyone? So we are applying this formula on this part. A square plus b square minus 2ab. What is our a? X, or b is 2. Next here 0 plus 5, 5 square. This is x square plus 2 square will be 4 minus 2 into 2, 4x. 5 square will be 25. Clear everyone? Still we have to simplify this. X square, see, x square minus 4x I am writing first. X square minus 4x. Okay, these two terms I have wrote first. Next, see this is also plus, this is also plus. 4 plus 25, 29. Both are plus, that's why plus 29. Here we should write square root as it is. Clear everyone with this? So AB is equal to something this much. Now, case 2 that we need to find out distance between B and X. X is x comma 0. B is minus 2 comma 9. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So bx x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. x2 is x, x1 is minus 2, y2 is 0, y1 is 9. So this is x minus into minus plus. This is minus 9. Here we are using a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Right. by using this formula, then apply that. Directly I am writing a square is 2, b square is 2, a square is x square, b square 2ab. You can write dot also there. Right, clear? Minus 9 whole square will be 81. Minus will become plus. A square, this is 4, 2 to the 4x plus 81. So x square plus 4x I am writing first. This 4 and 81 I am writing next. Plus 85. This is bx finally. Clear everyone? So we got ax and we got bx. Now, given ax is equal to bx. Have they given this directly? No, they said equidistance. From that we are understanding this. Okay. So ax is square root of x is square root of x square minus 4x plus 29. bx is square root of x square plus 4x plus 85. Now we should do squaring on both sides to remove square root. So x square minus 4x plus 29, x square plus 4x plus 85, square root of this. See, what you should do now? Squaring on both sides. So here we should square and here also we should write square. Clear all of you with this? Right. So you have to write squaring on both sides like this. Then square and square root cancel. Square and square root cancel. So our next step will be x square minus 4x plus 29, x square plus 4x plus 85. So x square and x square can be cancelled. So next step, minus 4x is 0 plus 29. Right side will be getting 4x plus 85. Okay, so all the extremes will bring one side. Better send this minus 4x there. 29, 85 will come here, become minus 85. This minus x goes that side becomes plus x. This is 8x. 85 minus 29. How much? 56. Right. Minus 56. That 8 you bring down. 8 ones are 8. 7 are 56. So therefore, x is equal to minus 7. So can I say, what is the coordinate? X comma 0 now. So this is minus 7 comma 0. Okay, this is your final answer. Don't write simply x is equal to minus 7. They are asking coordinate point. So in that original x comma 0, you have to write this. Getting with this? This is your final answer, minus 7 comma 0. Getting idea everyone? Okay. So observe this. Clear with this question everyone? We used the equidistance concept. Observe this. Jai Sri Ram. Today also nearly 60% of the students are at home still. Right? Today, right? Yesterday got small example, right? Today we'll go for the real match. Ready? So those who are present, Same. Okay. I'll take the photos and just not remember that we can remember notation. Clear everyone this? Okay, observe the steps. Yeah, how many of you are sleepy? Abhilash? No. Then why you putting here and there like? Yeah, so okay, all of you with this? Got it? Right? We'll get this in Xerox copy also and PDF also. Right. Next. How many of you are able to understand? Everyone is able to understand? Gaurav. He's a good fellow. You unnecessarily. Yeah. Look at here. Let us consider A as x comma 7 and B as 1 comma 15. And they said distance between A and B is 10 given in the question. So distance between A and B is how much? 10. That is AB is equal to 10. And we need to find out the value of x. Remember student, this question and last question. In the last question we are about to find coordinate value. Right, point on x-axis means we need to find coordinate point. Here they are asking simple x, it's not coordinate point. Simply one x, single value you should get. See, here if I stop here, that is wrong actually. Because they are asking point on x-axis. Point on x-axis means it should be coordinate point. That's why I wrote answer like this. Right, clear everyone? Here they are asking only x, so I need not to get the coordinate point. I need to get just x value. And they gave a and b, and they said that distance between a and b is 10. Right. So AB is equal to 10. So applying the formula, this time I am doing it directly without writing formula. But in exam, before this you should write formula. Okay? Before you use the formula, you mention the formula in the answer sheet. Right? Sometimes if you forget to mention, after writing on the side, you mention the formula. Suppose you are using the formula at this step. At this step you are using formula. So here you mention the formula. Right? Or else before using that formula you mention that. Right? Suppose you are using formula here. You mention it here or here. Getting with this point everyone? Right? So right now I am not writing formula. You can understand that. So directly I am writing. x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Right. What is x2? x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 is 1, x1 is x, y2 is 15, y1 is 7. So this is AB is called actually 1 minus x whole square. Next step will apply formula. 15 minus 7 will be 8. Okay, so here we are applying one more formula. A plus B whole square. So A minus B, not A plus B. A minus, so A minus B will be A square plus B square minus 2AB. So A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, 8 square will be 8 8 is 64. So 1 square will be 1, x square will be x square as it is, this is 2x plus 64 is equal to 10. So can I write this x square minus 2x plus 65? X square minus 2x as it is, 1 plus 64 will be 65. Right. Now what I'll do, I'll be doing squaring on both sides because I need to remove the square root. So for that, x square minus 2x plus 65 and here 10. Here also we should write square, here also we should write square. Clear? Okay. Now square and square root get cancelled. X square minus 2x plus 65. 10 square will be 100. Clear everyone till here? Okay, so now we got one quadratic almost. We need to factorize it. Next step we'll do that. First we'll bring 100 on left side. X square minus 2x plus 65. 100 comes on left side becomes minus 100. Isn't it? It was plus, so it becomes minus. So x square minus 2x. 65 minus 100 will be minus 35. Okay? Clear with the sign. Now we can do factorization, but I am using formula method this time. Which method I am using? Formula. Sarathan. Listen carefully. So compare, let it be equation number 1. Compare equation 1 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is a? 1. See, x square beside we have a. What we have here beside x square? Nothing. So nothing is there means 1 is there. Right. So a value is 1. B is nothing but the quotient of x. What is the quotient of x? 2. That is minus 2. Be careful with sign. C is nothing but constant. What is constant in this step? Minus 35. So we got A, B, C. Right. We should get this all. A, B and C to use the formula method. Now what is the formula? We know. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is our formula actually. Right. Now we will be substituting in this. X is equal to minus b. What is our b? This minus is from formula and the minus inside the bracket is from the step. Getting? And b square means minus 2 whole square. 4ac. What is our a? 1. What is our c? Minus 35. Whole divided by 2a. Our a is already 1. Getting with this point everyone? So have you understood this? I just compared with the general form. This is the general form of quadratic equation. Right. And after comparing with that, I have taken a B and C. And that I'm substituting in the formula. This is the formula to find out X value. Okay, everyone with this? Right. So now we'll simplify this. Minus into minus plus. Minus 2 whole square. Can I write directly plus 4? You can understand that? Minus is there, square is there. So minus becomes plus. Next, minus into minus plus. 4 into 35. 7140. Okay? Divided by 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus or minus. 4 plus 140, 144. Square root of 144 is nothing but 12. Clear everyone with this? Right. So now we should write two cases. 2 plus 12 by 2. 2 minus 12 by 2. Plus, whenever plus or minus comes, once you should write plus, next you should write minus. 2 plus 12 will be 14 by 2. This is minus 10 by 2. Right. So 14 by 2 will be 7. Minus 10 by 2 will be minus 5. Clear everyone with this? So x values are 7 comma. They are not coordinate point, remember. Clear? Actually we should not write comma. This is because actually this is division. Means we have to partition this. This is another part, that is another part. Right. Okay everyone with this? So therefore x is equal to 7 and minus 5. You can write and. Getting with this point everyone? But don't write comma. If you write comma, it means that they are coordinate point. They are not coordinate point. This is separate answer. This is separate answer. Getting with this point everyone? Okay, so clear with this? How to find out x value? See again, we applied the distance formula, but in this we got the quadratic equation in between. Right, if you don't get quadratic equation, it will be even more easier. Like shorter one, but we got the quadratic equation, that's why we have to solve accordingly. Clear with this point everyone? Observe this. Sheetal.